Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be on a 3-day visit to Gujarat from tomorrow. During his 3-day visit, Mr. Modi will visit Mahesana, Bharok, Anand, Jamnagar, Rajkot and Ahmedabad. The Central Bureau of Investigation has filed a charge sheet against RJD leader and former Bihar Chief Minister Lalu Prasad Yadav, his wife Rabri Devi, daughter Misa Bharti, and 13 others in an alleged land for job scam during his tenure in the railway. The Indian Air Force today marked 90 years of excellence and began its celebrations in Chandigarh with a band march and parade. A special air flypast was over Sukhna Lake in the afternoon. After a 2-year gap due to the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, finally the adventurous Sino-Trek off-roaders Ahor revived the Ahor 4x4 Off-Road Challenges 2022, which is the 4th edition of the Ahor. The competition was flagged off on the 7th October and concluded on the 8th October at Kharsati Park, Omtham Rebhoi district. Former BJP leader J.A. Lyngdoh joins the Congress at Congress Bhavan on Friday. Lyngdoh, who contested from the BJP, had lost to Adelbert Nongrum, MLA, to a narrow margin in the last assembly polls in 2018.